big. It's big. Go this way if you can. You're right behind the engine. I can't get to it. All right, fishing family, good morning. November 2nd, 2024, our real first day of as a team out here in Lake Erie chasing down these Brawl and slam fish. So we're out with a board meeting. It is first thing in the morning here, 7:50 in the morning, sun's just coming up. It's a little chilly, mid-30s, but it's time to catch one at this board meeting. Got it. This one's got some perfect to it, dude. All right,
hang on. There we go. Oh, that's not as big as I thought it was. Oh, bigger than that. Oh, your thing came off.
Nice fish. Oh, and it just popped off.
That's the little one.
Oh,
It has more weight to it, didn't it? I'm gonna get off.
you gonna trade me? That thing went backwards.
Catch fish! Game will take care of itself.
I need a $300,000 fish. Let's go! That thing went backwards. You got some tension in this one. Steve, if you would stand by with the net there. Oh, don't even say that. Do not say that. Ooh, this is big. You have weights. Two weights.
He did them and just added them up.
Been up too high.
Yeah.
What does it say? How far out?
I'm still 115.
Okay.
45.
Oh, it's big! It's big! You gotta keep bringing her though. Oh, she's pulling. Oh, she's pulling! Go this way if you can. You're right behind the engine. I can't get to her. Over here. Oh, crap. She's gone.
That's alright.
No, it's not.
Right there with the engine, bro.
I'm a happy boy. Fine.